Construct 2 versus Construct 3, which game engine is better for your projects? Choosing the right engine can transform your game development experience by boosting productivity without steep learning curves. Both offer powerful tools with unique strengths. Construct 2 and Construct 3 are popular game engines designed for 2D game creation. The core difference is that Construct 2 is desktop-based, while Construct 3 runs entirely in the browser, offering more flexibility and continuous updates without installation hassles. Construct 2 is a Windows desktop game engine focused on creating 2D games through a visual scripting system without coding. It works by allowing developers to drag and drop objects, set events and behaviors visually, making it accessible for beginners. Its strengths include offline use, a stable interface, and extensive community tutorials. However, it lacks native browser support, requiring installation and updates manually. Construct 2 is ideal for developers who prefer working offline or on Windows systems without internet dependency. It supports exporting to HTML5 and various platforms, but the lack of ongoing updates means some newer features are missing compared to its successor. Despite its limitations, Construct 2 remains a solid choice for hobbyists and educators seeking a straightforward, no-code environment with reliable performance on desktop setups. Construct 3 is the modern evolution of Construct 2, fully browser-based and accessible from any device with internet access. It keeps the visual scripting approach but enhances it with a more polished interface, faster workflow, and regular feature updates. Construct 3 supports real-time collaboration, cloud saving, and instant previews on multiple devices. Its strengths include cross-platform accessibility, continuous improvements, and integrated debugging tools. The main limitation is its reliance on an internet connection for full functionality, though an offline mode is available with some restrictions. Construct 3 targets professional developers and teams who need flexibility, remote access, and up-to-date features without manual installation. It exports to a wide range of platforms including mobile, desktop, and consoles. This engine streamlines game development with an intuitive interface and powerful event system, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced creators aiming for scalability and modern workflows. Comparing Construct 2 and Construct 3 highlights key trade-offs. Construct 2 offers a stable offline environment perfect for users with limited or unreliable internet, focusing on desktop usage with manual updates. Construct 3 shines with browser-based convenience, enabling development across devices and seamless collaboration, ideal for teams and professionals. Construct 2's limitation lies in fewer updates and older technology, while Construct 3 depends on internet access but provides cutting-edge features and cloud integration. For solo developers or educators prioritizing simplicity and offline work, Construct 2 fits well. For developers needing flexibility, remote work, and continuous improvements, Construct 3 is superior. Both engines use the same event-driven system, so skills transfer easily. The choice depends on your workflow preferences, device availability, and need for modern features versus offline stability. Choose Construct 2 if you prefer a reliable offline tool focused on desktop use, especially for simple projects or educational purposes without internet dependency. Construct 3 is recommended for developers seeking a flexible, cloud-based engine with continuous updates and collaboration features. Its modern design and accessibility make it the better choice for professional game creation and teams aiming to streamline their development process.